Every single human, puppy, and cat on Earth is made of trillions of tiny living cities called animal cells. Let's break it down.
To understand an animal cell, think of it like a walled city. Every part of the cell has a specific job, kind of like departments in a town.
First up, the outer boundary, the cell membrane. It's like the city walls and security. It holds everything together and acts like a bouncer at a club door, deciding what gets to enter and what gets kicked out.
Right in the center is the control room called the nucleus, just like the city hall. This is where the DNA lives, the master blueprints that tell the cell how to build everything and run smoothly.
Say it with me. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Yes, it's a cliche, but it's true. It takes the food you eat and turns it into pure energy ATP, so the cell can actually do stuff, just like the city power plant.
Now, every city needs factories and shipping centers, right? The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is a folded network where proteins and lipids are manufactured, like factories in a city.
Once the products are made, they get sent to the Golgi apparatus, similar to the post office. The Golgi packages them up and ships them out to wherever they're needed inside or outside the cell.
Every city has trash and will need a recycling and cleanup crew. Lysosomes are filled with digestive enzymes that break down waste, old cell parts, and foreign invaders. Basically, the ultimate garbage disposals.
And that's basically it. If this helped make biology a little less painful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science breakdowns.
And drop a comment below. If your cells were a city, what kind of city would yours be?